Beautiful. Pour it over the top. My belly looks... I look like a ghost. But good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd film a little morning in my life today. I just got ready. It's almost 10 o'clock. I've been up since 8. I just was in bed all morning. And then I just got ready because I feel like if I get ready right like after I get up, I will do things like actually function. So I got ready. I need to fix my hair. It looks atrocious. But yeah, I thought I would vlog today. I also need to clean our like dresser off. There's so much stuff on it. Oh, I could set you here. Look. Okay. Hair looks so bad. I'm also so pale. Yeah, I thought I would film a little like morning in my life this morning. Like I said, it's like 10 o'clock and or almost 10. And all I've done, I've gotten ready. I did my makeup. I haven't really gotten ready. I'm in my pajamas. I cannot lift my leg up. I need to make the bed. I'm gonna like halfway make it because when Bradley gets home from work, he'll nap. So I'm not gonna make his side, but I'll make my side. I don't have much planned for the day as of right now. Bradley will be home in maybe an hour or so, probably. I am hungry. I need to go make some food. I've been drinking greens. I'm trying to be a healthy girly. I got some Bloom greens. You've probably heard of them. They're super popular and they're great. I'm gonna make my greens before I eat anything. Probably make my greens, make my breakfast, and then make a coffee. Does that sound like a plan? Or make my greens, drink my greens, make my breakfast and my coffee kind of at the same time so I could have them together. Let's get to it. We are gonna make the bed first, like I was saying, before we exit the room. I had this window open for the lighting. Don't mind the blankets on the floor. Oakley tore them down, but he has literally like been getting back in bed in the morning. Hey, lazy head. You just got back in bed? He just got back in bed. He's so chaotic. Look at him. Let's make my greens. I like to make it with orange juice. With water's good too, but this combo, this like mango and orange juice, so good. Cute glass, always. Obviously, so pretty. Look at this glass. It's let me shake my orange juice first. He's literally probably going back to bed again. Orange juice. Oh man. Fish out the scoop. Hold on. Get a good old scooper. Oop. Froth her up. Give her a pre-mix and then just let her go. Oh my gosh. Try not to spill it. Yeah, I've been drinking these for every day. Trying to every day. You like need to be consistent with this kind of thing. So, and it's so good. This combo is so good. This is the mango Blooms with or tangerine juice actually. So tasty. Getting my nutrients. But yeah, like I was saying, you've probably heard of them. They're great for digestion, bloating, immunity. I really like to just get the extra greens in because I know I'm probably not getting it elsewhere and I'm pregnant, and so, whoa. So it's just really important to me that I am getting all the goods, and with Bloom, I am. So, reminder to go drink your greens. So I'm gonna start making breakfast now and drink this, and yeah, cue the breakfast montage. So my go-to breakfast recently is peanut butter and banana toast. I really have been liking bananas lately, but I think it's so like not true about eating a banana to make you like not cramp, because I get the worst Charlie horses in my legs at like in the morning sometimes. I have to like leap out of bed. It's horrible. Is that a pregnancy thing, or is that just like, what's the deal here? Breakfast is done. Beautiful. I'm gonna go eat. Yum, yum, yum. Also, these flowers are still beautiful if you saw my last vlog. Aren't they just gorgeous? But, okay, I'm gonna eat now. Okay. I'm gonna eat my breakfast and then I will make a coffee after. Okay, breakfast is done. I need to throw this away. Peanut butter toast. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna quickly clean up the mess. It's actually not really a mess. I just need to put everything away. We got some snacks yesterday. Quick little bump update for you guys. Oh, my belly looks so white. I feel like the camera's making me look extra pale. Except right here it's focusing on me and making me look less pale. I don't know. Whatever, but here's the bump. 28 weeks, 3 days. Okay, I'm ready for coffee now, so let's make one. Also need to clean up. Actually, it's not even bad. Whatever. Okay, my favorite. Okay. Okay, yeah, so basically, I get my espresso. I'm gonna go fill this cup up with ice. Espresso. I like to add the vanilla. Oh, my hand just cramped up doing that. See, those bananas do not work. I do vanilla, and I shake her up real good. Another cup, I'm just gonna use like a bigger glass. I'm gonna go put ice in this. And do like, whoa. See, I always spill espresso and just pour it over the top. Yum. This is a massive cup of coffee, but I swear it's just like filled to the brim with ice. It's not that big. It literally is so filled up with ice. That's why it looks so extra full. Also, it's only like not even really, 2 shots of espresso. So don't worry guys, I'm not doing too much caffeine. Massive. It's a huge cup of coffee. Yeah, okay. That is really good. So good. We have like no milk left, but I'm gonna put it back. It is now 10:38, so Bradley should be calling soon saying he's coming home. So then I will make him breakfast. I will let you guys know when he's on his way back home, and then I'll probably like start making him breakfast. Okay, Bradley is finally on his way home. He should be here pretty soon. He called me a little while ago. So I'm gonna make him breakfast here soon, but I thought I would just quickly update you guys. If you watched my last vlog, I started nesting. I gave you all the updates in the nursery, and I started organizing the drawers. So I thought I would just show you guys everything I've done since that video, because in that video I only washed some like bamboo sleepers, but now done some more. So this is the sock drawer. All of his socks are washed except for these bigger ones, just because they're like not gonna fit a newborn baby probably. These are just some mittens, hats, and then these are all bibs. My mom bought him a bunch of bibs off of Amazon. These are like muslin ones, and then these ones are just like cotton. So cute. I got those all washed and folded. This drawer is all of his newborn sleepers, and then these are long sleeve. I haven't labeled this one yet. Long sleeve onesies and short sleeve onesies. And then see, I talked about the label maker, but I hadn't gotten it yet. If it'll focus, that's how cute. Look at it. So cute. And then this drawer is the 0 to 3 month sleepers, long sleeve onesie, short sleeve onesies. He has a lot of 0 to 3 month clothes compared to like anything else. So yeah. And then this drawer, I'm gonna probably do like, I don't know, pants and tops because I don't have room in the other drawers. And then this drawer is going to be, my mom also got him crib sheets. How cute. This is a little Sleepy's crib sheet. It matches my like literal favorite onesie. So cute. Also so soft. And then a Burt's Bees ones. I'm probably just gonna put crib sheets and then like blankets or extra swaddles or something like that into this. I haven't washed the swaddles yet, but there's the update. I'm zooming in on you. No.
Too long, but I don't want to come down.
Me or the crumbs? Yeah.
Caught up in a long free fall. You got me off.
Oh my goodness. Bradley's napping, but I'm gonna do my hair now. And just probably speed through it, so.
Sway for a minute, the plane moves side to side. One way ticket, I want you in my life. I feel a mile high when you're on my side.
Okay, my hair is curled. Now we brush it to reveal the waves. The difference is so much better. Now let's go dress the bump. I want to film a reel for Instagram of dressing the bump. And then the morning is over. Okay, I picked out my outfit for the dress the bump. Set up my tripod and I'm gonna film it, so you guys are gonna get a little behind the scenes of me getting dressed. This is gonna be so awkward from your point of view versus if you went on my Instagram and watched the video, because there's no music. It's just me in silence.
High up in the sky, cruising through the night.
Hopefully that comes out cute. It's probably so awkward for you to watch. But go look on Instagram and it wasn't as awkward probably, so yeah. Okay, my morning's over, so I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was very realistic, very chill, just spending the morning with me. Stay tuned for more nesting content coming soon. That scared me. He literally jumped off of the glider and it like rocked back and hit the wall, and then it scared him and then he barked. But like I was saying, stay tuned for all of the nesting content. I am 28 weeks pregnant, so much fun is just to come, or is coming soon. What am I saying? I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.